Hello everyone. Today we are going to create MVC web application. So first, file, new project in web application.net. Select the folder where you want to save. And the name is whatever you want to give. In that MVC, change authentication to individual. Okay. This will take few time. Now go in web config. In the web config, if you want to change the database name, then you can easily change. Now save this and launch the app. For the first time, it will take time. In our database right now, there is no college database exist. If you do register, and if you go there and if you refresh this, then the colleges exist. In table, going ASP.NET users, select those. The registered user is exist in the database. Now here we need to add more tables because here we want to add courses, students, right? So let's create a table. Course ID, let's take integer, then name, varchar 2, there is, it's here, varchar 2, course code, and varchar 50. We don't want anything to be null, and let's set this as a primary key, right? And save these as a courses. Okay, now if we refresh these, the table is accessed. Now in that, let's add the query, let's add the record. So this, just remove this. In that, insert into courses, course ID, name, course, the second field, the last field was course code, values 1 dB, and the course code is supposed to be at 1001. Now if you execute it, it will add. So select, yeah, it's there. So just let's add here in Solution Explorer. Let's add model first. So in model, add. Okay, it is running, so that's why we are not able to add it. So now let's add controller. Sorry, we are going to add the model, so we have to select new item in that data, and here the data context, right? Add the code from the database, because here we are connecting database and we want the tables from the database. So next, cancel, next. From here we are going to only take the courses, so courses, finish. So because of some issues the name will be different, so just right click, rename it to courses. You will get the message, so please do yes. So everywhere it will change, so we don't have to change everywhere. So just save these also. Now let's add controller. Add controller. In that we are going to add the controller with view, because we want to add the HTML also. So view, add. Here we are going to select the model that we just added. So here the model name should be courses, and here the data context, and courses just added. Okay, for that I guess we have to refresh it once. So let's try after some time. Add controller with view, courses, data context, and add. Oops, I think there is some issue. So here I found the issue. The issue was with data context. Here in the name should be default connection, because we gave default connection. So now let's add controller. Here add. In that we are going to select courses, add. So the courses controller is here, and in under view folder the courses folders is also there, which contain the HTML for add, edit, delete, and list of courses. Now I guess it's done. We just need to add the courses link under shared layout.html page. So here we are just going to copy the link. Here the name should be courses, then the folder name, no, the file name, so it should be index, because we are referring this one. So it should be index now, and this is the directory. So here we are going to give courses, right? Now let's build first. So 0 failure. Now let's run this. Okay, so here you can see the courses. If you click on courses, you can see the DP, which I gave the name, then the courses. If you edit it, just go say data programming, with that save. So it's reflect here and it will reflect here too. So here you can see that the data programming, if you want to see in details these, if you want to add new one, then course ID will, no, the course ID should not become because it's a primary key. So name, name should be, let's give data programming. What's the name of the courses? Information encoding standard. The name is S. So and then B tag, suppose it's 1002. If we create it, so it's here information encoding standard. If you want to edit something, suppose only yes, then save. If you want to delete data programming, then it will take, are you sure you want to delete? Yes, delete it. So here we just completed the courses, and if you want to see the API for that, then the API, yes, here the API is not available because what we have done here in the courses controller, we are directly rendering the view. Suppose it's okay, so first we have to stop debugging now. Suppose if you just want the API, then return JSON in that the db.courses and allow okay, just give this. Okay, now let's debug this. Courses index. Oops, getting error. Okay, so I forgot to give this allow get parameter in the JSON. So if you add these and debug these, and if you do courses and in slash index, then it will return you the JSON. This means array. And suppose if you do the view, then it will render the HTML. So this is the difference between whether you want to just create a API or whether you want to render the HTML also. Then it's up to you. Thank you.